Hi guys, welcome to KennyBlandAuctions.com. I'm going to do a quick walk around video for you. This is the Ranger XLT pickup truck. Selling in our November the 9th online auction. This truck was plated in 2019. It's full of stuff. The back end's full. The front tire's flat. It's got stuff in it. It does have the rear doors that open. The battery is dead, however, it does take a charge. It has the 4.0 liter engine in it, right there, overhead. It is fuel injected. It's got some dents, some dings here and there. And again, it is full of stuff, okay? Front seat, back seat, and the back end. Let me show you what it does. Keys in. It's turning over, but not firing. It shows 157,311 as the mileage, 157,311. When I turned it over first, about an hour ago, it fired for a brief second. And then it did not fire anymore. This vehicle will have to be towed off this property. We're in Whitehall, Indiana. We have a very short driveway. So you'll have to bring a trailer, a truck, probably have to back this unit up a little bit to get it on your trailer. You can also send a rollback. We have a clear title for this in our office. Give us a call if you have any questions, 812-320-0130. Thank you.